Good morning, YouTubers and friends, family. Harvey Debs here. It's raining out and it's 72 degrees, which is such a change. Oh my gosh. Rosie's outside. Ooh, she's all wet. Was that fun? She doesn't like it when it's thundering, which last night it was thundering really bad. Hey, Rosie. What was that all about? Did you get wet? Hurry up, Lily. Come on. Oh, man, does our land need some water? For sure it does. Hurry up, Lily. Getting wet. Let's just relax under the cover. See, we're nice and dry under here. Perfect. I love my RV cover. And I thank you, every one of you that helped me get it. Every day. Every day. Yeah, we have just enough overhang. Just to be able to... I'm sitting in the chair and it was raining all night and the chair's not wet. As long as there's no sideways rain, it works. Sometimes it rains so hard, no matter what, it's wet everywhere. But right now, it's beautiful. And the cool breeze, oh my gosh. This is the coolest it's been in, I don't know how long, a couple months. I think they're happy to be just sitting outside. Just thought I'd share with you this morning. Nice, cool, rainy day. Thank goodness. Good afternoon, YouTubers, friends and family. RV Debs here. It is Monday. It's about 3:43 in the afternoon. And it's, what is it, July 30th, almost over. Summer's going fast, thank goodness. I'm kind of glad, actually, time is going. And today, last night around 2 a.m. it started thundering and raining. I think it rained all night, or at least soft rain. And then this morning when I got up, it was really nice light rain, and it was like 72 degrees. And right now at 3:45 in the afternoon, it's 80 degrees. So we've really gotten a break. I mean, yesterday was over 100. So we got a little break today. It's so exciting. So relief. So it's like some relief. And it's cloudy. And I hear thunder. Poor Rosie. She hates the rain and thunder. But yeah, she's under the table. And last night she was like, I was sound asleep and she kind of nuzzled her way right here, poking at me because it was scaring her. It's like, oh man. So I put her under the covers, and that's where she feels safest. Cat and Mark are taking care, or babysitting, you could call it. Chase, the one that is 9 years old, so he's been hanging out. We were visiting earlier. Not much going on. It's a quiet Tuesday. I did receive from Wish.com a pair of earrings I'm wearing. They're gold. They don't last long when they're only $3 or $4, but they're real pretty in the beginning, and then they kind of lose their gold. I enjoy it. It's fun. What else? That's about it. I just really enjoyed the live stream. We had such a great conversation going with lots of good people, and that's one of the reasons I've been doing them lately. I find that the live streams are a lot of fun for me and for a lot of people. Doing videos daily is kind of, unless something exciting is happening, it's just really just normal life, you know. Not really into cooking right now, or I would be cooking videos. And it's been so hot I haven't done much outside other than go to the car, go to the store, get in the car, go home. I have been painting, and I'm thinking of doing another painting today. It's a good thing for me to do. Although today would be a good day to make jewelry. I just haven't gotten out there. Did my laundry, there's some towels, and I had a problem with my water heater. The problem wasn't really my water heater, it was the Ignite. I think it's the igniter. It's an electric Ignite. And I would turn the little knob on the wall and it would turn red. You know, there's like a light. It's supposed to light, and then the red light goes off, and it never went off. So I figure, well, for now, since I need hot water, I went outside and opened up the water heater cabinet or closet and turned it back on to electric. And for now, that's going to work. And then I can always turn it off inside the house at the what do you call it? The power thing. I can't think of the word. Anyway, doesn't matter. You know what I mean. The other problem I haven't dealt with yet, and I'm sure I will. I think the black tank, when you open it and then you close it, I don't think it closed, and I don't know how to fix that. Lily, you barking. She said, I don't care. Come here. She's playing. That is it. So anyway, those two things I'm working on. At least I got hot water. And the black tank works. I just have to figure out how to get the valve to work that shuts off the sewer. Otherwise it's just open, which I don't want. It's always something. No matter whether you live in an RV or a house or an apartment, there's always something that you have to fix or take care of or check out. But I've been fortunate. The AC's been working really good, and I've been keeping the filter clean, and no complaints there. And that's about it for me on this Tuesday. I'm not sure what else will be on this video because, like I said, I can't do one every day when nothing's going on. But I really did enjoy my live stream. We got into topics just about the RV and that kind of stuff. But then we got into relationships and what women feel about, getting another relationship in their life after either being a widow or divorcing and they're older. When you're older, your needs are so different than when you were, younger. And you're still the same person, but you don't require the same stuff, Now I really want someone who enjoys conversation and travel and learning new things. And if I have to stay with myself here, that's fine too, because I'm good company. But my nature is usually out there communicating. And I'm doing a good job. I'm enjoying it. Thanks so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it so much. Talk to you later. Hey YouTubers, RV Debs here with you. It's Tuesday, and it's Taco Tuesday. We are going today. We haven't been for a few weeks, so we're going to Taco Tuesday. But I wanted to show you my latest painting. I did this one last night, and I think I wasn't done until after 2:30 in the morning. I worked on it for a long time, and I call it Cat in Love because this little cat is looking lovingly. It is sold. I already sold it to Patricia Oakes. It's going to go live in Wales in the UK, but I wanted to show it to you before I send it. She's sweet. I love her. Turned out really good. It's the first I'm just getting into it. It takes a little time. But I think I'm best at the abstract animals. But anyway, I'm going to continue on painting and while we're in summer, and paint as many as I can this month. I'm definitely at the end of, well, it's the last day of July, so it's a countdown for me. I have right now 32 days until I travel to Kansas City and go to the Irish Festival and spend a few nights on the road, probably like 5 nights away from home, maybe more. I don't know. Let's see, 1, 2, 5 nighs. So how exciting, right? And I'm going to take y'all along with me, I promise. So I am going to dinner, and then when I come back, I'm going to try to start a new painting. That's what's happening around here. Not a lot, really. But today, it was like 88 degrees. Amazing. Because we had such a big rain a couple days ago, and it just, I guess that's a cold front, which is so welcome, so welcome. Beautiful day, though. Blue skies, sunshine, but not as high, not like it's been. So it's been a relief, I mean. Yeah, my turtle's gone, so I'm gonna have to start again. I'll make something real. Hopefully I'll make another thing that somebody wants. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Peace out. And Bud's place, where you know most everybody's name. There's Mary, Mark, Kat, looking at some old pictures.
Marlon.
Over in the corner, there's the mayor and his wife.
With these pictures that I was giving away.
And Dr. Duke is over there. We just got everybody here today.
There's George.
Anyway, talk to you soon. Having a Taco Tuesday. It is sunset. So it's about 8:30. Just one last little look at the beautiful night air. Today's been a real nice day. We actually I don't think it got over 90, which is great. Come on, Rosie. She sees people and all of a sudden she wants to meet them out of the clear blue. Come on, let's go home. Get home. Come on, Lily. Come on. Wore me out. Hi, chicks. Hi, chicks. How you doing, girls? Really? Oh, tell me all about it. Okay. Talk to you soon. Lay some eggs. Come on. Let's go. Get in. Come on, Lily. I'm done. There you go. Whew. I ordered some beads. I got some more turtles to work with. What's going on with you? And you? They had their dinner. Yes, they did. Right, Rosie? Yeah. Chased them all over the place. I'm done. I hope you've had a good day. It's the end of the day, Tuesday, and I'm going to upload a video fairly soon so I can say I did it. Whew, tired. Hugs and love from Texas.